Hello everyone, it's Gaming Phone Season once again, and we're just done with the Black Shark 5 series of smartphones, and now it's time for the ROG Phone 6. So in today's video, I'm just going to talk about the ROG Phone 6 in general, because this is a very highly anticipated gaming phone of the year 2022, and I am very excited to share with you all of the information that we know about this phone and all of its accessories as shown here. This is not all of them, by the way. And we are also going to dedicate a full week, one video a day for 7 days, about the ROG Phone 6 and its accessories. So hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of it. And actually, if you're watching this video, then we also have already published yet another video where we tested the gaming performance of the ROG Phone 6 with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Yes, that is the new chipset from Qualcomm. So yeah, as for this video, we're just gonna talk about what's new, what's changed about the ROG Phone 6. Let's begin. Okay, so there are a few things to talk about. Number one, of course, like what we mentioned earlier, this new ROG Phone 6 series is using the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. It also has a vastly improved internal design, and it also has a new cooling solution that I won't talk much about it here, because in summary, it upgraded the thermal compound and also the heatsink as well. One of the new design element though is that ROG moved the SoC, as in the motherboard, to the center of the phone at the back. And the SoC is also flanked by a dual cell battery design. So the centered SoC will give a more direct contact with the AeroActive Cooler, which we will definitely get into later. And the dual cell battery design also means that this new ROG Phone 6 can charge at a much faster pace, even though it is still using the same 6000 mAh battery like its previous generation, and the included charger is still a 65 watts charger if I'm not wrong. So the ROG Phone 6 series of smartphones come in two different variants. So the first one is the ROG Phone 6, the base variant, and the second one is the ROG Phone 6 Pro. Now, the Pro here doesn't really mean that much, it's just that the highest variant of the ROG Phone 6 is the Pro version. They're all using the exact same Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, and yeah, the cooler and whatever is still the same. It's just the aesthetics, the RAM and the storage are different. So the base model of the ROG Phone 6 comes in either black or white colors, and it is covered by a glossy glass back. The ROG logo at the back also glows in RGB, and there's also another word, Dare to Play, at the top of the phone. The ROG Phone 6 Pro, on the other hand, comes in only white color and is covered by a very nice frosted glass finish, and yet it has a very small strip of screen at the back of the phone where they call it the ROG Vision, and you can customize it to however you like. And of course, the Dare to Play slogan is still at the back of the phone as well. And the ROG Phone 6 still has the same capacitive buttons like the previous generations of the ROG phone, and in terms of the features that you can do with those capacitive buttons, yeah, they're still the same. As for the front of the ROG Phone 6, it pretty much looks the same like the previous generations. We still have the dual front-facing speakers, so that's good. But one major difference compared to the ROG Phone 5 is the total removal of the accessory port at the side of the phone. You see, the ROG Phone 5 had the pogo pin at the side to plug in the AeroActive Cooler, and for this generation, that port is entirely gone. So what we have here is just a high-speed USB Type-C port, and that's it. The AeroActive Cooler 6 plugs into that port only. And one huge upgrade is the IPX4 rating on the ROG Phone 6. Now, I've been asking for IP rating since the first generation of the ROG phone, so I'm glad that it's finally here. So now let's talk about the price of the ROG Phone 6. The base model of the ROG Phone 6 comes in at 3,599 ringgit, whereby the ROG Phone 6 Pro is only available in a single variant, like what we mentioned earlier in this video. Only the highest variant with the most RAM and also the most storage, and it is priced at 4,999 ringgit. The one that we are showing in this video is actually the ROG Phone 6 Pro. But as shown on this list here, there are still a lot of accessories, which we will definitely have yet another video where we talk about all of the other accessories available. Because as you can see here, we got the AeroActive Cooler 6, the new Kunai 3 gamepad, The reason why it's new is because it is now available in the new Moonlight white color to match with your new white ROG Phone 6, but in terms of feature, I suppose it's the same. Don't quote me on that because I have not tested them yet as of the recording of this video. And then what is this again? The Devil Case Light Guardian anti-shock case for the ROG Phone 6. So we also have this, and then this is a very weird accessory, the ROG Phone 6 glass screen protector, and this thing costs 149 ringgit. I have no idea why it's so expensive, but that is something that we will also explore in one of the videos to be published during this week of ROG Phone 6 content. So that's it. That's a very quick run through of all of the new things available on the ROG Phone 6. I'm definitely looking forward to the new AeroActive Cooler 6 because of its new design, new Peltier cooler, and with the new 4-button design, I think that we can definitely, you know, we need to adapt our fingers to hold the phone and the fan properly to press all of the buttons at once. And that also creates a total of 6 different buttons that we can use on the ROG Phone. That's gonna be exciting. So remember to stay subscribed, hit the notification bell. Again, today is the first day of the ROG Phone 6 content. So check out our gaming video at the end and at the top right corner here or anywhere on the screen here, and we'll see you there. If you have any questions, please really leave them down in the comment section below quickly because we are filming this really quickly. Actually, I'm filming this video on the 26th of June. Today you're watching it on 5th of July, so you kind of know how our schedule works. Okay, goodbye, I've been talking a lot.